So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your images to how to plan your images and plan your visual content, and also how to upload it on Facebook Creator Studio so that you plan it in advance. Okay, so first up I want to show you how to cut the images to the correct size to have them here. To upload them here, you would just click Insert Image in Cell. But let's start with the feed image first. So to create this image, you would go to Canva, and you can totally use just the free version, and then you just click create a design, and then you choose custom size and choose this particular size for the feed and this size for the carousel. So let's start with the feed first. And then once I do that, I go to elements and I go to the bottom, and sometimes it doesn't show up, so I just click whatever and go back, and then I go to the bottom, and then I choose these where I see them, and just choose the one with the grid. So over here I've already created it with the feed image, so it already has the grid. So as you can see, it looks like this without the images. So I mean, it's really comfortable, because once you have that grid, you can just change the images all the time and use the same template and just copy and paste the same thing. I just want to show you the exact one because I don't want to here. So you would just choose this one, and then you would just make the spacing to 0, and there it is. And another thing I like to add is these rulers. So basically what you do is you go over here and drag it out over there. If you don't see the rulers, you would just click you would just go to the archive, and then you would click this. This is gonna be in English for you or your own language, but basically that's what you would choose. You would choose to show the ruler, and after that I just drag the images here, so I can use the images from my own images or from Canva. Obviously you probably want to use your own, but if you can't, then you use it from Canva. And there's a lot of the free ones, so I'm just gonna go to the photos, and here if it doesn't say anything, it doesn't show anything, that's free for you, and I can just drag them and change the images really easily, really quickly, and I can also adjust where I want them to be. So that's basically the process. That's all you need to do. And if you have a free account, that's all you basically need. But of course the paid account has more like a bigger selection of images and things like that. Okay, so after you're done with your images, you would just download that file. So you would say download, and you would download the PNG, choose the particular image that you want, and that's it. Then you go to split image online, upload the image over here, and after that you choose both grid. Okay, now I didn't upload it, great. You choose both grid, and then you choose 3 and 3, so it divides it nicely for you, and choose the image quality to 100. You click split image and you download the zip file, and once you download the zip file, you just click it twice, and so here it is. So it unzips it if you have a Mac, and then there we have all the images here. After that, I can either upload them to here if I want them to use them in the monthly calendar, or I can immediately upload them to the Creator Studio. So I would just go to the Creator Studios, choose Instagram or Facebook for that matter, and I would just create the post and upload. Let me just go to mine. Okay, for some reason it doesn't want to load right now, but I swear to you it's there somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna use a random account. And then I upload the file, and so from the tools, and I write my caption here, and then I can just schedule that for later. So I would just click, instead of publish, I would click schedule. I choose the schedule, choose the date when I want it published, probably not AM, probably somewhere in the evening, and I just click schedule that. So then I can go to my account, so I will just choose one profile instead. I will go to my account, and then I just have it scheduled for that time. So now I'm gonna delete that because I don't want it there. So that's it. That's how you would do that there. But if you want to use the content planner, then you would upload the images here as well, and you would do it like this. So I'm using a shortcut, Option +/, click I and enter, and then choose the images from the bottom up, and then just change the feed as I go. And then that is gonna change and automatically update it to the month. And as you can see, it's already there. So it's super, super easy. Now, if you want a carousel, this is how you would do it. So this is the size for the carousel, 5400 and 1080. And then here, I have it over here. And then if you're not going to use photos, if you're going to use graphic elements for carousel, then it's better to just delete the photos over here. And also for the carousel, you just choose a square instead of the grid. So you would go to elements, and you would go to this square, so it's just one square, and you make it the right size for you. So you would make it into a square, and actually it tells you the size here. So it says 1080 to 1080. So I'm just gonna do it approximately, and then I just hold the Option key and copy that, and copy these, and that's it. I'm ready to upload. So here I can upload it like that, and then I can add the images here. So again, I'm just going to write minimal, go to photos, and as you can see, these are the pro ones, but these are all free. So I would just add the images here, and that's it. And that could be my carousel, and then I can just add the text immediately on top of that, and have the idea over here. But usually for carousels, we're going to use something like this. So this is basically some flowers, so dried flower. And then I'm gonna go to graphic elements, and then some of these are free, some of these are paid, so we're gonna go with free right now. And I just choose the flowers and add them where I want to add them, and just click on them and drag. So the reason I like to add flowers in the between the carousel is because it gives that smooth transition effect. And so I can add some yellow ones, I can change them. I can also make a new one so that, I can create multiple options really quickly. I like to personally do that because then I just choose the one that I like the best, or I am more efficient with my content. So if you do try to create carousels, you will need 2 of these, because this is 5 and then this is 5 as well. And also it's nicer to just create your content in one go than to, a million times. Another way to create that transition effect and to stand out a little bit with your carousels is to use gradients. So again, we're going to go to elements, and then I'm just going to write gradient, and you can also add the color you want. So let's say I wanted pink. Now, one thing I would keep in mind with the gradients is that I do want it to kind of have that to have an edge that's deleted, because if I add this, then I kind of have to use it on the whole thing, or it has a harsh edge. But I could possibly do that. So I could use this particular gradient and then just add it to the max, position it to the back, and then maybe make it a little transparent or not make it transparent, again up to you. but this is how you would do it. And after that you would add your text. So you would say something that you want, and let's make it this, and make it white maybe because it's dark here. Or maybe this is unreadable, so we want it to be as readable as possible, so I'm just gonna use this. And then I'm gonna use the a hook here, for example. Okay. And then I just choose how I want it to be and how it's gonna look like. And after that, I'm gonna also, what I would add personally is I would add some arrows so that people know that it's a carousel immediately. So I would just say arrow, add the arrow, and move it to the bottom over here. So again, it's very easy with Canva to do that, and that's why I like it so much. Okay, so now let's say we're done. Obviously not, but let's say. And I'm then gonna download both of them. I'm gonna select the two last ones and download. And after I download them, I will go to Pine Tools again. And so I don't know if it's being downloaded or not. Then I click twice to unzip it, and then I go to split image, choose file, and I go to Carousel. Once I'm there, right now it's different because it's not gonna be 3 by 3, and I honestly don't remember which one it is. But okay, it's vertically or horizontally, I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. So it's gonna be 5, and then I'm gonna click split image, and you can do what I do. When I don't know which one it is, I just do both. So I do vertically and horizontally in split image. Okay, I think I should know by now, but I just don't, so that's how I do it. And show in Finder, and then I'm gonna unzip it and unzip it, and then here they are. So no, it's not the column, it's the other one. Nope, it's not that one. Which one is it? It's hidden from me, it's hiding. Nope. Okay, sorry about this. I don't know which one it is, but it's not neither of them. You're kidding me. Okay. I don't know what happened, but I'm just gonna do it again and hopefully find the right file. Oh my god. Okay, so I just didn't. Okay, so I will just download that again because I split the image but I didn't download the file. And then I'm gonna click it twice, and it's the wrong one. Great. Okay, so the one you need is the horizontal one. And you click 5 and you split the image and you download the zip file, and that's it. Okay, so we have the images here. So we have the rows here. So as you can see now, I can immediately upload it as a carousel. So these are the 5 first ones, and I just not gonna make the second one, but you can make the second one. But you would just upload the second image here, and so this one, and then you would do the same thing where you split it by the blocks and horizontally, and you download the zip file and then split the image. I mean, you split the image, then download the zip file. Don't make my mistakes. Okay, so that's it for the carousel, and then you can upload it there, or you can upload to the Creator Studio as well. So just create a post, Instagram feed, choose my content, file upload, and then I would go to downloads go to the carousel and choose all of them and click open, and now I can choose which one is first, second, third, and whatnot, so I can see the carousel immediately. So it's really nice if you have your Instagram connected to your Creator Studio. Another way is to use Later. So this is an app, a scheduler, and you can create a free account for the pricing. So you do create a free account, but then like a lot of things you have to pay for. So this is kind of, they give you a limit on how many posts you can have and social media set and whatever. So the free plan has the visual Instagram planner, but it doesn't have all these little features.